boys and girls. I'm going to go over what we're doing for our vocab literacy center today. It is the day where we're going to go on our Connect Ed and do our games. I am already signed in because I am confident you can get to this spot without me walking you through. I'm going to click on my green to-do circle. And right here under my current work, my to-do list, I should see Unit 5, Week 5 twice. That is because there's two different vocabulary games to play. I want to just give you a couple reminders that when you click on it, you click on the resource over here, and then we can go ahead and play our game. So choose the vocabulary word that goes with the definition. Something that can be made again. A design, natural, examine, or renewable. We know that was renewable. And I can check my work. See how I did. Good, and then you would hit next. I want to remind you that once you go all the way through, you will hit submit. Your assignment has been submitted. That lets me know, it gives you a green check mark, and it allows me to know that you did that activity. Also, I want to remind you that when I click on your done work that you submitted, I can see if you actually answered all those questions or if you just hit submit and turned it in. Okay, so make sure you're actually playing the games, then hitting submit. Okay, really work on learning those vocabulary words. Good job, boys and girls.